Hey everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Photopea. It's a new site I found that's like Photoshop, but it's open source and it's free to use. Now, what you can do is similar to Photoshop. You can edit pictures, make thumbnails, has all the tools you need from Photoshop, and you can put all the software. I mean, if you use thumbnails on it, give it a test, and it looks pretty good. And all you do when you make a new project and you make something new, choose what you want, type in the size here, hit create, or have templates if you need it, which I can care less about. Then you can hit file, has all the information here, edit. Well, just like Photoshop, it's really neat. And yes, it adds on it, but that's it. There's all the information, properties, all kinds of stuff. Really cool. So I don't know who made this program. Well, it's free site, but if you go to their information down here, if you can find it, it will show you more information how to get started and everything. Now, I haven't tried it with Illustrator yet, or Sketch, or these other softwares, but once you create a thumbnail, you can download, you select all the layers, hit download PNG, and you have a thumbnail. Now, I don't know about how much the size is for it. It varies, but so far I use it and it works fine for thumbnails. Just don't add a lot of stuff, and make sure you delete layers you're not using. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put a link in the description below about the Photopea site, and have a wonderful day.